In the quiet dawn of a small home, Mirha prepares for school with a delicate determination. Her worn sandals hint at unseen struggles, each step a careful attempt to conceal their broken state. Hussein watches from the corner, his eyes filled with a silent concern that speaks volumes. His gaze follows Mirha's every move, a silent promise of support in the face of her quiet perseverance. The unspoken tension hangs heavy in the air as Mirha continues her preparations, each action a testament to her resilience. On the sun-baked street, Hussein kneels, his brow furrowed in concentration as he clutches a small worn coin box. With painstaking care, he counts the meager coins, a flicker of determination igniting his eyes. He carefully hides the coins inside his shirt, securing them close to his heart. Rising with newfound resolve, Hussein sprints towards a small shop, his voice filled with urgency. "Uncle, I need sandals for my Aapi. Sister, this is all the money I have." In the dim light, Hussein carefully slides a small plastic bag beneath Mirha's pillow. Mirha's eyes widen as she finds the bag, a mix of surprise and curiosity on her face. Mirha asks softly, "Where did these come from?" Hussein replies with a gentle smile, "So you won't be embarrassed at school." A tender moment unfolds as Mirha looks at the bag, gratitude shining in her eyes.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.